Good morning all of you. Today we will see division of polynomial by binomial. Yesterday in previous class we have seen division of polynomial by monomial. So whenever division of polynomial by binomial, we have to do first we have to make all the variables in decreasing order. So let us see exercise 4.3 question number 1. Write the given polynomial in the decreasing order of the variable. First we have to make the variable in decreasing order. So see here, first one question, 15x square plus 3x plus 8x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 15. So first we have to see what is the variable. Variable is the x. X is the variable, and order of variable means power we have to see. Write power of x in decreasing order. Writing the power of x in decreasing order. So h power 2, h power nothing means 1, h power 4, h power 3. So this first we have to write. We have to write with its sign. To 8h power 4. The plus sign is given, so no need to add first plus sign. In first term no need to add plus sign. If we are not adding any sign, it means it is plus only. Then second one, here h power 4, so then obviously h power 3, this is our second term, minus 4 h power 3, then h power 3, afterwards h power 2, this is our third term, plus 15 h power 2, see there is no sign, means what is the sign? Plus sign. Then h power 2 means now h only, the fourth term is plus 3h. Then fifth term is number or constant, minus 15. This is our answer. We have arranged the variable in descending order. Now see one more question. Here writing the power of m in decreasing order, because the variable is m. Question is 12m power 5 minus 9m power 3 plus 16 minus 6m square plus 8m. To writing the power of m in decreasing order. So decreasing means bigger to smaller. To first one, m power 5 to 12m power 5. This is the first term. And second term is what? M power 4. M power 4 given? No. Then m power 3. So this is our second term, minus 9m power 3. Then m power 2 or m square. So this is our third term, minus 6m square. Now fourth term is plus 8m. Then in last we have to write constant or number, plus 16. This is our answer. Now this third and fourth question. Third one is 9m power 4 minus 16m square minus 4m plus 16 minus m cube, and fourth one is 4 minus 8y cube plus 12y power 4 minus 6y square. These both questions you have to do by yourself. Same solution. Now we have studied that how we have to make polynomial in decreasing order of variable. Now after that we have to do divide. Second question is divide and say whether the divisor are multiple factor of dividend. Whenever the remainder is coming 0, then yes, the divisor are multiple factor of dividend. So see how we have to divide. Here h square minus 11h plus 30. This is in decreasing order. First square term, then h term, then number. So this polynomial is in decreasing order. So first we have to write h square minus 11h plus 30. This is our dividend. Divided by h minus 5. Binomial means two terms, h minus 5. This is our divisor. Now we have to do divide. So first we have to see the first term of dividend. First term of dividend is h square, and we have to see the first term of divisor. What is h? This one we have to do divide. H square upon h. H square means h multiplied by h upon h. This h and h will cancel. So what is the answer? H is the answer. So this is our quotient. This is our quotient that we have to write here h. Now h, this quotient we have to multiply by divisor h minus 5. So h multiplied by h, then minus sign, h multiplied by 5. So h multiplied by h, h square, and minus sign, h multiplied by 5, 5h. This we have to write here, h square minus 5h. After that, we have to change the sign of this answer. Here plus sign, so we have to write here minus sign. Here minus sign, so we have to write here plus sign. We have to change the sign because we are doing subtraction. Now h square minus h square, it will cancel. Minus 11h plus 5h. So answer is minus 6h. Minus 11h plus 5h, answer is minus 6h. 11 minus 5, 6, and bigger number sign. So bigger number is 11. What is the sign? Minus sign, to minus 6h. Now this plus 30 we have to write downside. Again same step we have to do once again. What is our first term? Minus 6h upon, what is the first term of divisor? H. H and H will cancel. What is the answer? Minus 6. Right here minus 6 in quotient. Now minus 6 will multiply by divisor h minus 5. Minus 6 multiply by h. Again minus 6 multiply by minus 5. Now minus 6 multiply by h, minus 6h, minus plus, and 6 multiplied by 5, 30. Now this number we have to write here, minus 6h plus 30. Now again we have to change the sign because we are doing subtraction. So minus sign will change into plus and plus sign will change into minus. So minus 6h plus 6h, it will cancel, and plus 30 minus 30, it will also cancel. So what is the remainder? 0. So here remainder is equal to 0. Therefore divisor are multiple factor of dividend. Now question number 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th do by yourself.